what they do. They smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place. The backstabbers, backstabbers. They smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place. The backstabbers, backstabbers. All you fellas who have someone you really care, and it's all on you fellas. You better beware. Someone's out to get your lady. A few of your buddies, this sure looks shady. Blades are long, clenched tight in their fist, aiming straight at your back, and I don't think they'll miss what they do. They smile on your face all the time. They want to take your place. The backstabbers, backstabbers. They smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place. The backstabbers, backstabbers. I keep getting all these visits from all of my friends, and they come to my house again and again. So I'll be there to see my woman. I don't even be home, but they just keep coming. What can I do to get on the right track? I wish they'd take some of these knives out my back. What they do, they smile in your face. Oh, the backstabbers, backstabbers. They smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place. The backstabbers, backstabbers. What they do, they smile on your face. Smiling faces sometimes. Backstabbers, they smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place. The backstabbers, backstabbers. They smile in your face all the time. They want to backstab you. Backstabbers, they smile in your face. Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Well, I'm going to give you 3 tips on playing Backstabbers by the OJs. First of all, as we look at the board here, you want to gather a rhythm for this. Now, you can get that just by listening to the song. A lot of times, vamping has to do with how the drum beat and bass are feeling. So if you think of the song, dun, 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 and you transfer that to the keyboard, dun, 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 you have dun, 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 dun. So that can give you the rhythm for the whole song, okay? So just listening to that drum beat and maybe even drumming on a desk or something, or even playing on some bongos if you have them, or a drum set will help you when you take that to piano. That's why drummers are so good at going to the piano and vamping, because they do it all the time. Okay, so to get that beat is really the first thing, and that's in this first tip, is to feel that beat and to transfer that to the chords on here, okay? The second tip I want to give you is you can slow the tempo just a little bit, all right? Sometimes these songs go kind of quick, and when we play in piano solo, we can slow them down a little bit, and they don't lose anything. In fact, they might sound even better, a little more of a relaxed atmosphere for a room setting if you're just playing for some people, okay? So if I want to slow it down just a little bit, so I'm even going slower than I did for the performance we just heard. So slow down the tempo a little bit will really help you get all the words into. So that's the second tip. The third tip I want to give you is this is a little practice thing that I used to do that you can do. Say you have trouble singing and playing at the same time. Some people can play well, they can sing well, but they have trouble, can't get it together. So what you can do is play the piano part and record it. Record yourself playing, okay? A couple of lines. You don't need to do the whole song. Just do a verse or a chorus or something, okay? Not the whole thing. And then play it back and sing with your own playing. okay? And then sing it and record that, and then try to accompany as you're, playing the piano, as you're hearing your own self sing, and you'll start to get a connection there that you didn't have before. It's a little tip for you in this modern day of technology that we can record ourselves very easily, just to help you get going. You can also write out the chords and write the syllables of the words where the chords change. That will help you out too. But mostly it's just a matter of doing it, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed these 3 tips. On webpianoteacher.com, you can download all my sheets. I give you measure by measure lessons for the whole thing. It's a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.